Good morning, this is Naresh Vaitla. Today I'm going to replace my laptop keyboard. Okay, some of the keys are not working properly. So I have ordered this keyboard on Amazon. It's not original one, it's a compared from Lab Gadgets. It's a cost of 800 only. Okay, let's see how we're going to swipe keyboard. So first we have to identify how many screws we have to remove to replace this keyboard. One here, star. So coming here. So if you look here, it will indicate that it's a keyboard related screw is here, and so there is one more screw, so two, and here you can see that it's saying that inside this panel we have keyboard related screws. So we identified 3 spots, 1, 2, 3. So let's start to remove this one. Okay, 1, okay, 2. So these are the very small screws we have here. Let's see which one is sample. I hope I can take this one. Okay, this one. So it's very small screw. Okay, and one more screw here. Okay, done. So now we are ready to remove this panel, backside panel. Yep, just push like this. Okay, then you open. Oh, it's just. So coming to here, I can see more basket. Okay, here we have the hard disk. Okay, let's identify where is the screw. Dun here. Okay, there is one more screw here, which is indicating the keypad. Then I hope we're done. Okay, so this is the 5th screw we are removing. Oh, sorry. Which one it is? Yep. Yes. Okay. Done. So I hope we removed all screws. 1, 2, 3 only. So let's confirm again. Okay, we don't have any other screws to remove. Yes, I hope we don't have anything. Here we had a Q10. Okay, so let's see. Now I have to show my energy to remove this one. Wow. Let me get a screwdriver. Let's see if I can do this one. Oh, simple. So this is the key roll here. Okay, we have to play very carefully here. Come to here. So So it is connected here. Here we have one kind of clip which is holding the keyboard ribbon. Okay, this is the old one. Okay, let's see. Now we are going to replace with new keyboard. Let's unpack this carefully. Before doing this, let me clean. Let me find something. So I don't find anything else. Okay. See, now I need to be replaced this keyboard. It's crucial job here. Come to closer. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, I hope we press properly. Lock it. Now simply place here. Okay, now carefully tight all the screws. Oh, where is my screwdriver? Yes. Now I need the star one. This is what we can. No, baby, I need only one. Let's see, we're sitting properly. Yes, did. Let me check it again. Good. Then okay, now place the panel. Hey, where is my panel? Oh, see the dust. Let me find out something. Okay, it's okay. Okay, push. So we need two small screws here. So change the screwdriver, this one, and get the screws here. Done. Wait, darling. 1 second. Keep it here and change the screwdriver. So second screw thing. Come on. Yes. Don't. Yes, it's going properly. It's done. Now change the screws. Come on. Oh, sorry. Hey, where is my screws? Not this one.